Alright, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a clothing morph, and this will work on the R15 models or the old R6 models, and the R15 looks something like this. It looks a little more fun, I guess. So we're going to go to View, Toolbox, and we're going to find some clothes that we want to put on our character. So let's do this one. Okay, so here's going to be our character, and all we really want from here are the pants and the shirt. Everything else we don't. Well, it's a shirt graphic. Never seen this before. And that was nothing. Okay, so yeah, we just want the shirt and the pants. So we're gonna name this guy man. We're gonna make a new folder. Then I'm gonna be showing you guys two ways to put the pants and shirts on the person. Not sure what happened when I put that in that folder. I'm just gonna ignore that. Okay, so we need a pad first that we're gonna step on, and then we're also gonna do it when we can click on it. So here's our pad that we're going to step on, and here's going to be our clicky pad. Okay, so we'll do this, we'll put both of these in here, and then we'll make a step. And we'll make a script inside of here. Let's move this so we have a little bit more room. Okay, so first we need to find out if the pad is touched. So we'll do that by doing this. If it was touched by my left leg, then hit would be my left leg, so whatever's touched by it is hit. So if hit.parent, then, so hit.parent would be my player, so it'd be this player. So like left leg, man. So we'd have hit.parent if hit.parent find first child humanoid, then, so if whatever's touching its parent, it has a humanoid inside of it. So if my left leg touched this, and the left leg's parent has a humanoid, then it's probably a person. And we're going to do one more check. If hit.parent.humanoid.health is greater than 0 to make sure the character isn't flying around dead or something like that, to make sure everything's going to work fine. So now that we have done this, we're going to first, like my character, he has no shirt on, but he has some pants on. So we want to remove both of those if a character has pants or shirt on so they don't double up. And the way we're going to do that is we're going to say we're going to grab all the parts or all the pieces of the character. So all of this stuff, I kind of focused on all of this stuff. So character parts is equal to hit.parent get children. And that's going to put all of our stuff in a little table. And then what we're going to do is we're going to loop through all of those character parts. So we're going to part through part through part through part through part. And we're going to say if one of those individual character parts, and that's the way we say individual character part, is a pants. As you can see, pants right here on those little quotes, it means is a pants. Or character parts, and don't forget that bracket I, is, whoops, a shirt. And as you can see, the shirt is right here, and the little quotes is a shirt. So if it's one of those, then what we're going to do is say take that and remove it. So take whatever part it found and remove it. And after we've done that, so let me kind of comment what we're doing. So grab all character parts, loop through all parts, and remove pants or shirt. So now let's we can do a quick test to make sure that runs. Alright, perfect. If I had a shirt, it would have removed it. You'll have to take my word on that. So now that we've done that, we're going to clone over new shirt, pants, and shirt. And the way we're going to do that is we're going to say, we're going to make some references up here. So man shirt, man is just this man, is equal to, so we'll say script.parent.parent, script.parent.parent.man. So now we're inside of this man. and we're going to say his pants and his shirt. We're going to go. We're going to clone. So pants first. Whoops. Doesn't really matter which one you do first, but and then we're going to make a clone of it. And the reason we're making a clone and not just referencing it like this is because if we did this, it would only happen once, and we'd be actually taking the pants and shirt off this man. But if we're going to do a morph, then you're assuming that a player is going to step on it, then a different player is going to step on it, and it's going to keep happening. So you're going to want to clone it to make sure that it's always there. So local man pants is equal to the same thing, except for, oh, I messed this up, didn't I? Sorry, shirt. Okay, so we have man shirt and man pants, and those are both being cloned. And now we're going to want to put both of these inside of our players. So what we're going to do is we're going to clone them again, just to be safe and make sure they're there. And we're going to set their parent, so where they're inside of, to hit.parent, which is our character. Hit.parent is our character. And in fact, I'll make it a little bit more clear by doing this. Local character is equal to hit.parent. So we're going to say parent is equal to character. And then right here, we're going to say man pants clone is equal to the character. And that should clone over the new pants and shirt from the model. So let's hit play. So our shirt and our pants will be removed, and their shirt and their pants will be cloned over onto us. And it looks like it worked. We now have their pants and their shirt. If we go inside of here, whoops, we go inside of our player, we can see we have pants and we have a shirt, and they're the new pants and shirt. So that's it for a touchpad. It's very simple to do the same thing, but clicky wise. So let's do clicky over here. Actually, just do click. And we're going to bring the same script, and we're going to make a few modifications to it. So instead of being touched, we know we're being clicked. So we're going to say, and we're not going to need this hit.parent because we can only be clicked by a person. So we're going to say script dot parent. Oh, sorry, I almost forgot. We need a click detector to tell if we're being clicked. So script dot parent dot click detector dot clicked, I think it is, mouse click. Here we go. Mouse click connect to function, and this is going to bring in the player object, which means there's two different ways your characters, just ignore that. There's two different ways your character is going to be, and he's going to be right here in the player's world, where his graphical user interface and his scripts or his weapons would be, or anything in his backpack. And then he's also going to be in here, the actual world, where all of his stuff is going to be, like his pants, for example. So when we click on something with this, it's going to grab the player from the players folder, and we don't want that one because we want to be modifying his other stuff, his pants and his shirt. So we're going to say character is equal to player.character, and it's as simple as that, just to get the character that spawns in the workspace, and to get that frame. So now that we have that, we're going to look at this. We don't really need this either. We still want to make sure that he has some life, so we'll keep that in there. So let's move this over. See if I can get all this fixed up here. So just fixing this indentation so it doesn't bug me or anyone else who might bug. So hit.parent for our last one was our character, so we're just going to switch hit.parent to our character, and that was kind of not needed. Okay, look at that. So now we just need to make that our character too. Okay, so now we're doing the same thing, except we've gotten the character in a different way. There's been a player clicked on it, and we've gotten the character from that player, which character and player are the same thing. They're just two different locations. And the player in here represents some different items and than the player that spawns in the workspace. But we're doing the same thing. We're seeing if their life is over the 0. We're getting all the parts inside of the character. we're looping through the character, looking for pants and shirt, and then removing it if we find it, and then we clone over our shirt and pants from whatever model, our model in here who's named man. And let's test that out. Alright, perfect. It worked the same way. So that is how you you clone over shirt or pants in Roblox. And if you guys want any extensions on this, like something like how to do this where you have to pay like a currency or something to be morphed or anything like that, or a game pass or anything, just let me know in the comments. If you had any questions on what we've done, let me know also. I'll post links to the code that we've done today, and I'll also upload the this whole folder, and then I'll link that too. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.